When I think about scale at Regent, it's sea gliders on every single coastline of the world. And when your kids go to school and they're in kindergarten, they learn about the modes of transportation, and it's boats and planes and cars and trains and sea gliders. Like, that is success to me, that's scale. But to get there, from our perspective, we sort of have to take a different approach in that we don't really have the luxury of delivering one or two before we go to scale. We sort of have to think about scale at the same time as our first deliveries. We need to set up our manufacturing capabilities and our supply chain to be able to unlock scale literally years before we've delivered the first vehicle. When we're still in R&D and still in testing, we need to be getting these manufacturing facilities online. And so we are keenly aware of metrics, yes, about metrics. And the metric I obviously track as a sea glider manufacturer is how many sea gliders have we delivered? And the answer to date is 0. I mean, it's a very big 0. So we need to put in this plan over many years. How do we capitalize? How do we form the right partners? How do we leverage local government so that we can start notching wins in that delivery column, but we can do that ahead of the first delivery? We need to get everything online to unlock that scale.